Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this time, we will learn how to design parts in SolidWorks. It's perfect for intermediate user. Nice. Okay, just start it. Open SolidWorks, and here we use millimeter unit. So ensure to select in millimeter gram second for unit. We can see again for this drawing. It is. We start from front view. So just start sketch from front plan, right click and click sketch. And first draw line like here. So click line and draw from this point, origin point, like this, 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 and click A on your keyboard, like this, and this. So we can to apply for dimension, click smart dimension, and for length in 65 millimeter, and this line to this center have distance in 30 here, and here have distance high in 15, in here in 10, and here in 6. So this line to this line in 15 millimeter for distance, this line to this line in 10, and this line to this line have distance in 6 millimeter, like this. Okay, and here have radius in 6 millimeter, and we can to make circle from this center because it have hole, radius in 2 millimeter, so diameter here in 4 millimeter, like this. And don't forget, in here have fillets radius in 2 millimeter. So sketch fillet parameter change in 2 millimeter. Click this point, and this point. Click OK. Okay. Each first step is so simple to make sketch like this. After that, we can to export to solid part with click feature. Okay, click OK and click extrude boss or base. And for direction, ensure to select in mid plane or both sides like this for symmetry part. And for depth or thickness in here in 50 millimeter. So input here in 50 millimeter. Click OK, like this. Then we can see again each corner have fillet radius in 5 millimeter. So click fillet. For fillet parameter, change in 5 millimeter for radius, and item to fillet, click this corner edge, click this edge, and last is this edge. Click OK. Okay, it's easy. After that, we can to start draw sketch in here like a cylinder. Have distance 40 millimeter from bottom face or bottom surface. So we must to make new plane. Click feature and click reference geometry. Just click plane. For first reference, click this surface or face. Offset distance in 40 millimeter, and we can checklist or click flip offset to top like this, and just click OK. Now we have the new plane. The name is plane 1. Right click on this plane and click sketch. We can rotate here. Then we can draw circle in here. Make 2 circle. For distance, this edge to the center of the circle have distance in 30 millimeter. First circle have diameter in 20, and second circle have diameter in 26. So in here in 20, and second circle have diameter in 26 millimeter, like this. So after that we can click feature again and click extrude boss or base. For direction we can change in up to body, but for selected contour we can click this sketch and this sketch. For body just click this body. Sorry, we can click up to next. Sorry, in here for direction ensure in select in up to next for direction, and for selected contour select to sketch circle in here. Just click OK. Then we can click again for sketch 2 and click extrude cut. For direction we can change to through all, and for selected contour we can clear selection and click this center of sketch in here. Just click this sketch, and we can do reverse direction because in here through all, and just click OK. Now we have design like this. It's so simple. We can to hide from this plane, right click and click hide, and we can to make a rib in here, the thickness in 15. So right click on front plane and click sketch, select line and draw from this to top and to this edge. Now we can click feature and click before ensure for dimension. This line to bottom edge in here have distance in 30 millimeter, and click sketch fillet for radius in 6 millimeter. Click here and click OK, because in here have radius in 6 millimeter. And click feature again, click rib in here now. Ensure for thickness you select in both sides, but in here for thickness in 15 millimeter. For rib in here in 15 millimeter, and click OK. It's so simple. Don't forget in here have fillet radius in 2 millimeter. Click fillet again, and for radius in 2 millimeter, click this edge. Click OK. Okay, it's so simple. Then we can see for second here have angle in 45 degree. We must to make new plane again. So right click on front plane and click sketch in here first, and draw center line. Ensure to select in this midpoint to this edge and to this. Set for angle in here. This center line to this center line have angle in 45 degree, and this point to this bottom edge have distance high in 35 millimeter. Okay. Then after that we can to exit sketch. We must to make new plane in here. So select reference geometry, click plane. For first reference, click this center line, and second reference, click this point. Click OK. Like this. We have new plane. The name is plane 2. Right click on this plane and click sketch. Okay. Now draw center rectangle from this point, center in here. Ensure this line and this line, click Ctrl and click make equal, because in here is equal side have diameter distance in 36. So in here set for this line in 36 millimeter, automatically in here in 36 millimeter too. Okay. Then we can click circle and draw the center in here. Diameter in here this a cylinder electric tube in 26. So input in 26 millimeter for diameter, like this. After that, we can click feature again and click extrude boss or base. For direction, we can change in blind, reverse direction in here, and for selected contour, we can select this sketch and this sketch. But in here, for thickness, in 4 millimeter, 4 millimeter, and just click OK. Okay. Then we can do so again for sketch 5 and click extrude boss or base. For selected contour, we can clear selection and just click this circle or this sketch. We can to change for direction to in here up to body. Just click this body. In here, this surface, or click this body like this and just click OK. We can hide for this plane. Right click and click hide. And don't forget in here, for each corner have fillet radius in 6 millimeter. Just click fillet and here radius in 6 millimeter. This, and this corner, and the last is this corner. Click OK. This. Must to make sketch like this, so right click on this face and click sketch. Draw circle in here from this point here. Set for diameter in here, have radius in 6, so diameter in 12 meter. And select line, draw from this edge to this to this. We just need a half of circle in here, so we can to trim entities from here and click feature, click extrude boss or base. Now we can change direction to up to surface. For surface, just click this face or surface. Click OK. Yes. And in here, the center here, F hole diameter in 20. For direction in through all, like this. So right click on this face and click sketch again. Draw circle in here, center in 20 millimeter for diameter. Ensure for distance in here in the center in 18 and here in 18 millimeter to center of hole. Just click feature and click extrude cut. Now for direction change in through all. Just click OK. And done like this. It's so simple. Now right click on front plane again and click sketch. In here have a cut shape like this, height in 10 and width in 6. So click here corner rectangle, draw from this edge to this and ensure this midpoint. Click control and click this center line and click make coincident. Set for width in 6 millimeter and for height in 10 millimeter. Okay. Then just click feature and click extrude cut. For direction we can change in through all both. Click OK. Like this. And in here have a rib in 4 millimeter thickness and here in 4 millimeter for rib. Just right click on front plane again and click sketch. Draw line, connect this point to this edge. Click feature and click rib again. Thickness in both sides and for thickness in 4 millimeter. Just click OK. Like this. And right click on front plane again and click sketch. Select line. Draw from this point to this. have sorry, I can erase. Draw from line this point to this point, and here click rib, click feature. For direction in here, you can click flip material side, 4 mm for thickness here, 4 mm, and just click OK, like this. It's so simple. Okay, in here have hole, all hole have diameter in 4 in here, so we can hide for the center line and click hide. We just make hole with hole wizard, click feature and click hole wizard, click hole wizard. In here for hole type we can click hole in here, standard hole, and for standard I use in ISO standard, type in drill size and size in 4 mm, and condition change in through all, and just click positions, click 3D sketch, and now we can make hole at this center, make hole this center, can rotate in here, make hole in this center, hole in this center, and hole in this center, and hole in here you can see, and hole in through all in here in this center. So ensure you all input a hole in this, like this drawing, and just click OK. Now we have hole in through all like this, diameter in 4. It's so simple. Don't forget in here have 4 hole, diameter in 4 mm too. Just click hole wizard again, but in here for end condition change to up to next. Click position and click here, click 3D sketch, position in this, and position here in this center, position in this, and for position in this. Just click OK, and done. It's so simple. We can to change for appearances, or we can to see for section view. Just click OK. It's just section view like this, appropriate this drawing. Okay, it's correct. This. We can click again section view, and we can change for appearances, maybe in color. Select all feature, click this icon, and click this color. Maybe we can adjust for here in 190 for color, and just click OK, and done. Okay, ensure you input all dimension and make sketch like this. We can check like this. Okay, I think that's enough. I apologize if there are any mistake of error in this tutorial. Thank you for watching until the end video, and I apologize if there are any mistake of error. Thank you very much for watching until the end video, and see you in next tutorial. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.